Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you 3 SLGs that I bought from Parfois. So if you're interested to see these cute items, please keep on watching. So today I have 3 cute items, SLG items that I bought from Parfois because I have found out they have another sale, so I bought this cute things. So first one that I got is this one. So this one is, if you can remember before, I got this one. It's just a plain coin purse in a dome shape. It has this wide bottom, and if you can remember, I have the same print and style that is my first Parfois SLG, and I got this because I want it to be like a sister or a partner. This is the one that I'm talking about. So they are in the same design family, so I got this. I just want them to be the same. So if I had a review of this one, and I will link it up there if you want to see my review on this one. So this one is just a plain coin purse, and it still has this gold hardware and gold zippers and a Bordeaux color interior like the other one. And if they come up, or if I see a bag that is the same design and style, I would probably get it too. So this is just a simple one, a plain coin purse, wallet, and like a mini catch-all, because I think this would fit many even coins. And I think I'll just make another video on what fits inside of this small coin purse. Okay, so the next item that I got, let's see, is this pink SLG. It's just a code, doesn't have a name. It's this one. As you can see, the hardware is a antique gold color. It's not that shiny as the other one that I got before. You can see. And then, so on this side, it is a key holder. You have 6 key ring holder, also in this brass gold color. And at the back portion is just a slot area, and on one side you can put, I think, cards. Let's see. I'll try to make another video of this one and what fits inside. So this is on the front area. You can see it's the key holder. Then on the other side, you have card holders, 3 card holders, and on the zippered area you can put some coins or cash. So that's the tag with light brown fabric interior lining that goes well with the pink. This one is like this like pebbled design. So this is simple and very cute, and they got this coatings on the sides, on the edges. So this is another cute Parfois card holder and key holder at the same time. So this is a nice addition to my SLG collection. And then the last thing that I got here is this one, another color, pink color, but this one is a bit like a darker shade of pink as compared to this one. This one is lighter. This one is a bit orangey. So as you can see, this one has this silver hardware, silver zippers. This one has this shiny zippers. This is a small zip wallet, compact wallet from Parfois. Of course, the zippers is very smooth. That's what I love about wallets, the zippers that are smooth to open and close. So in this area, you can see how many card slots they have. So we have here, so 1, 2, 3, 4 card slots on this area. We probably put some photos or IDs on this portion, and another pocket inside of this one, so one and another pocket, so 2 pockets. And on the other side, let's remove this one first, a zippered compartment, small zippered compartment for the coins, and then another small pocket in this area. Let's move this one. And then on the other side, you have 2 card slots again. The thing that I love most about these wallets are this gusset. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that correctly. The gusset, the fold, which enables you to put more things inside because it expands. I'm loving that feature, that gusset. And I have another tag here. This is their tag, NMBAS, just their tag. And so this is such a beautiful design wallet. It's very compact, and as you can see, you can put many things inside. Probably receipts on this portion, or probably folded bills. If you have a lot of folded bills, you can most probably fit in this area. But this wallet does have many card slots. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 card slots in total. So that's quite many. And a coin area, zippered coin area. I love their zippers. It's really smooth to close and open. And I'm loving, this is my first small compact wallet. And I'm so happy that I bought this one on sale, because this is quite, for me, it's a bit pricey on this small size, but I think this would really fit in any bag, even small ones. This would fit. And this is my first compact wallet in my collection, in my my SLG collection, and I'm happy to have bought this one. So now I got these 3 SLGs as addition to my collection. So I have these 3. I got 2 pinks and I got 2 pinks and 1 Bordeaux. I'm especially loving Bordeaux and also burgundy because it goes well with pinks that I want, and light pinks, baby pinks. At least I'm not really of the black. If I wanted something dark, it would be the Bordeaux or the burgundy, and if I want something light, it would be the light pink. So I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't. And please always thank God for these blessings. Till next time, bye!